How to clean a dishwasher in a few easy steps. The only guide you'll need to make sure your dishwasher shines. Luckily, getting the gunk out of your dishwasher is a simple job, and our guide gives you tips and steps on how to restore its cleaning power. Why it's important to clean a dishwasher. How to deep clean a dishwasher. Remove the arms and clean them in your sink with hot, soapy water and an old, soft toothbrush, looking closely to see if there are food particles that need to be dislodged from the holes. It's important to clean the dishwasher's drain, which is typically located underneath the bottom rack of the dishwasher. Frequently asked questions. This is also how to clean a moldy dishwasher, just in case you see some spores on the surface, due to trapped moisture. If your dishwasher meets these requirements, you can clean it by pouring 1 cup of bleach into a small dishwasher safe bowl, putting it in the center of the top rack of the dishwasher, and running a regular cycle without a drying cycle. If you believe your dishwasher has any stainless steel parts, but you are not sure, play it safe and refrain from using bleach as a cleaning agent. Tips for maintaining a clean dishwasher around the clock. The ultimate guide to cleaning your dishwasher. 18 stunning backsplash ideas you do not want to miss.